Create super engaging, professional doodle videos. Even if you have little to no tech or design skills. Doodly is the first and only doodle video creation software to allow anyone, regardless of technical or design skills, to create professional, realistic doodle videos in minutes. No longer will you be forced to pay outrageous fees and wait weeks to months for professional designers and videographers to create hand-sketched doodle videos for you. You'll be able to create your own professional doodle sketch videos with little to no design or technical skills. And not only that, but you'll be able to create your videos in minutes, not weeks. And the end result can be even better than what the professionals deliver. Use Doodly to draw all kinds of really cool things to entertain, engage, and affect your viewers in a positive way. Can be used for sales or social media videos, special occasions, or just for the fun of drawing. The only limit is your imagination. Doodly is the perfect choice for YouTube marketers, teaching and training, Facebook advertising, sales videos, creating fun and inspiring videos, and hundreds of additional uses. Doodly is more than just a software. It's also a community of like-minded, creative people looking to make the world a better, happier place. Get Doodly now.